Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Ave in Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this pre-owned 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. The exterior color is gray, and under the hood we have a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have auto headlamps, fog lamps, and tow hooks, and over at the side we have 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Scorpion tires. At the rear, we have privacy tinted glass, a backup camera or reverse sensing system, and a power tailgate. At the interior, we have power locks, mirrors, and windows. As we move closer into the cabin, you will see our black leather seating with adjustments at the side. Over at our steering column, we have our auto headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control to the left, and to the right are media and hands-free options. As we look ahead, you will see we have many options available, such as Sirius XM, sync navigation, vehicle hotspot, mobile apps, Ford Assistant, and 911 Assist. Below, we have our dual climate control area, which includes heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin. We also have heated seats for both passenger and driver to enjoy. We have dual cup holder, gear shift, and storage. At the rear, we have door storage, cup holders, and power windows. Our heated bench seating provides a ton of legroom and headspace. If there are any more questions about this pre-owned 2023 Ford F-150 XLT, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We'd like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.